So, good evening, everyone. Thank you for taking your time out and giving it to us to join us in the group meditation. Like I keep telling each time, when we join together in a group, we are able to channel more energies rather than when we are doing meditation or prayers or anything alone. So, as given by our teacher, the maths given is that if there are seven people meditating together, it's equivalent to you meditating alone 100 times. So that much power that you would generate by meditating 100 times alone, you're going to generate in one meditation where there are multiples of 7. Here we have 16 people already with us. So we should utilize this opportunity to be a blessing for the earth. And with that, I have one small angel message, small or big, somebody may have asked. The angel message for you guys is this: if it resonates, good, otherwise we'll go ahead with the meditation. It says meditation brings answers, no need to worry. So whoever may have been worried, don't worry, in meditation you will get your answers. Okay, all the best. We'll be practicing planetary peace meditation for peace and illumination. In the process of channeling energies to Mother Earth, we are going to imbibe in us the energies of peace and love ourselves. Okay, let us start with the invocation, seeking blessings from the divine to help us in doing a good job of doing the meditation together and channeling better energies, divine energies to Mother Earth. Relax yourself. Hands in Namaste pose. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother. To our spiritual teacher, to all spiritual teachers. Buddha Kuan Yin, Buddha Avalokiteshvara, Buddha Padma Sambhava. All the great Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, spiritual helpers, and to our higher souls and divine self. We humbly invoke for your divine guidance, divine help, and divine protection. We invoke for your blessings for channeling divine healing energies, peace and love and harmony on the entire earth. Thank you for making us a divine healing instrument. Thank you for making us a channel for divine love, divine light, divine power to be spread on earth. We thank you for your priceless blessings and this opportunity. In full faith, we thank you. Preferably sit with your spine straight, eyes closed, tongue connected to the palate. This is a guided meditation. Be aware of your heart center in the center of your chest. If you want, you can tap your heart center a couple of times. Be aware of your crown center, top of your head. If you want, you can tap your crown. Take a deep breath, relax yourself. Put your hands in blessing position, palm facing outward, chest level. Visualize a small earth in front of you, size of a small ball. Hands in blessing position, palm facing outward at chest level. Be aware of your heart center. Lord, make me an instrument for your peace. Feel the peace flowing out of your hands to the entire earth. Be a channel for peace. Feel this peace within you and flood the entire earth in front of you with peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Feel the love within you and allow the love from your heart to flow out of your hands to the entire earth. Flood the earth with peace and with love. Where there is injury, pardon. Fill the earth with spirit of forgiveness, spirit of reconciliation. Let entire earth be blessed with spirit of forgiveness and spirit of reconciliation. Be a channel for pardon and forgiveness. Let there be understanding, harmony, and peace. Where there is despair, hope, doubt, faith. Flood the entire earth with hope and with faith. For the last 1 year, many have lost their hope and their faith. Flood them especially with hope and with faith and a better tomorrow. Let every person, every being on earth be blessed with hope and with faith. Where there is darkness, light, sadness, joy. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine light and divine joy. Divine light of wisdom, divine joy and peace on earth. Feel the love, the hope and faith, the peace, the light and joy flooding out of your hands to the entire earth. Now be aware of your crown, the center of your crown, blessing the same earth, size of a small ball. From the heart of God, let the entire earth be blessed with loving kindness. Feel the divine love and the divine kindness. Let the entire earth be blessed with great joy and happiness, with understanding, harmony, and divine peace, with goodwill and the will to do good. Bless every person, every being on earth with goodwill and the will to do good. People are not only thinking about doing something good, but actually acting out that goodness. Blessings be to all. Be aware of your heart and your crown. Take a deep breath, align them together. Be aware of them together. Inhale and exhale. Be aware of divine golden energies flooding out of your hand to the entire earth. From the heart of God through the entire soul to the entire being. Let the entire earth be blessed. Every person, every being be blessed with divine love and divine kindness. Allow this golden light from your hands to flood the entire earth, filling up, filling the whole earth with light and with love. From the heart of God, let every person, every being be blessed with divine sweetness, with divine joy, with warmness, tenderness, inner healing, inner beauty, divine bliss, and divine oneness with all. Allow yourself to be a channel for flooding the entire earth with golden light of peace, love, joy, harmony, understanding on earth. Gently put your palms down, palms facing up, place them on your knees. Be aware of a point of light above your crown. As you focus on this point of light, it starts flooding your system. It starts becoming bigger and bigger. Keep your tongue connected to the palate. I will chant 3 ohms. You maintain your connection to this light. Om. Lift your awareness, merging with the light. Om. Lifting further, merging with the light, going higher and higher. Om. Be still, be aware, let go. Gently and lovingly come back to your body. Gently come back to your body now. Move your fingers. Gently move your toes. Be aware of your body. Come back to your body now. Maintain the connection of the tongue to the palate. The crown center is the entry point for divine energies into your body. By doing meditation, this crown center becomes highly activated. More divine healing energies can enter your body. Follow the guidance. The divine healing energies are entering through your crown, flooding your entire face, back of your head, your throat and your neck, your chest, your abdomen, in the back, the spine, the entire back, going down through the hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet. This divine healing energies are flooding your system, going into every cell of your body, every particle of your subtle bodies. The divine healing energies slowly flowing into your mental body, clearing out any and all negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, and stress from your mental body. The divine healing energies are flooding your emotional body, flushing out all the stress, anxiety, anger, irritation, sadness, and pessimism, and all unwholesome thoughts and emotions affecting your emotional body. The divine healing energies are flooding your etheric body, your energy body, into each and every chakra, meridian, every etheric organ, flushing out from deep within all the stress, all the unwholesome thoughts and emotions stuck in the body, in the organs, in the cells of your bodies. Make sure to deeply inhale and exhale. One more time, deeply inhale and exhale. Now allow the divine healing energies to replenish with good, wholesome thoughts, positive emotions, positive beliefs, replacing all that has been removed, and simultaneously regenerating every cell of your body, every particle of your subtle bodies, every system, every organ, inside out. Allow the divine healing energies to pour into you. Allow the positive affirmations to take hold of your system now. If you have any positive affirmations you like, you can repeat them 3 times now. Else you can choose from the ones I am going to be repeating. I am happy. I am filled with love and light. My body is healthy. I am at peace. I am enough. I matter. I am that I am. Gently put your hands up again in the blessing position, palm facing outward, visualizing small earth in front of you. We are going to release excess energies now. Bless the entire earth and mentally follow, releasing excess energies to bless the entire earth with good health, happiness, success, prosperity, abundance, spirituality, with divine light, divine love, divine power, with soothing, healing energies and compassionate, purifying light. May every person, every being on earth be blessed, be divinely guided towards the right direction. Those who are going through pain, sorrow, and suffering be blessed to come out of their pain, sorrow, and suffering quickly and properly. Blessings be to all. Visualize yourself, your family members, your relatives, your neighbors, the people you work with, your clients, your bosses, people junior to you, the people you interact with on regular basis. Bless everyone with good health, happiness, success, prosperity, abundance, spirituality, spirit of forgiveness, spirit of purpose. May they all be blessed with inner healing, physical healing, financial healing, relationship healing. May they all be blessed with emotional stability and mental clarity. May they all be divinely guided. Spread the energies, bless your entire house, inside and out. Bless your entire city, state, country. Bless the entire earth. Blessings be to all. These are excess energies. Allow them to flow out of your system. Your system can't handle them, doesn't need them. They are in excess. Allow them to go. Blessings be to all. Gently put your hands down on your knees, palm facing down. Be aware of the soles of your feet and the base of your spine. Visualize light roots going down deep into the earth like tripods from the soles of the feet and base of the spine, firmly rooting you into earth, grounding you. Let us further release the excess energies to bless the Mother Earth. Let Mother Earth be blessed with good air, good water, and good earth. Let Mother Earth be blessed with divine light, divine love, divine power. Let Mother Earth be healed. Let Mother Earth be regenerated. Let Mother Earth be revitalized. Blessings be to Mother Earth. I am connected, 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 and deeply, deeply rooted to Mother Earth. Mother Earth be blessed. Mother Earth be healed. Mother Earth, thank you for your continuous protection at all levels. Visualize thick roots going down. Connect, connect, connect. Root down, ground yourself. Blessings be to Mother Earth. Let us do Thanksgiving. Put your hands again in Namaste pose to the heart, to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to all the spiritual teachers, to my spiritual teacher, to all the great, great ones, Buddha Kuan Yin, Buddha Avalokiteshvara, Buddha Padmasambhava, all the great Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, all the great, great ones, all the archangels, holy angels, spiritual helpers, and to our higher souls and divine self. We humbly thank you for your divine guidance, divine help, and divine protection. We thank you for giving us this opportunity to be a channel for divine healing energies to bless Mother Earth. We thank you for making us a channel for your divine healing energies. We thank you for this opportunity. We thank you in full faith. So be it. Gently rub your palms together. Put them on your eyes. Wait for 5 seconds. Take a deep breath. Exhale and open your eyes with a big, big smile. Good. Thank you for joining us. Just one more precaution. I would suggest please do 10 minutes of physical exercise. Those who are more into exercise can do jumping jacks, 25 sets of 25 two times. That is 50 jumping jacks. Okay. There is a lot of energy that has been generated in this group meditation. I would request you to do some physical activity to allow excess energy to seep in and dirty energy to go out of your system. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time for the group healing session 2 weeks from now. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you.